Hi, my name is Neville Hatfield. I'm a practicing general dentist here in Pompton Plains, New Jersey. I'm approaching my first decade in dentistry. I work in Pequannock Valley Dental Associates, which is a group practice where we focus on patient experience and outcomes and building relationships with them. The whole mission or goal that we have here is to treat patients in a way that they feel comfortable and to not have that fear that comes with coming to the dentist. Being able to really connect with patients is what's important, because you can really understand the minutia of what patients really want instead of just trying to surmise what they want. I really enjoy using different products and materials that really help elevate my patient experience and also make my life a lot easier in the chair. I'm really excited about the Unica Anterior Matrix System because it's really just kind of evolved how I approach and do anterior composites dentistry beyond of what I used to do. I'm not using a mylar strip, I'm not stressed about heme, I'm not worried about saliva and contamination, and honestly it's just making my life so much easier as a clinician, selfishly, but also for my patients it's having a much better outcome for them, which they can appreciate in the final product that I'm giving them. A recent patient that I had is a 19-year-old male, poor oral hygiene with rampant decay in the anterior dentition. When dealing with a patient that is younger and then having to understand that they're going to live 60 plus more years, we have to really take into account that a lot of what we do in dentistry is irreversible. And with those irreversible things like full coverage crowns or ceramics, you're taking away a lot of healthy tooth in some instances in order to make the ceramic work in the situation. Using the Unica Anterior Matrix System allows me to be more conservative because I can take just the decay out and I can rebuild the teeth in such a way that is beautiful and long-lasting for the patient, in conjunction with oral hygiene instructions and really showing the patient how to take better care of their teeth. The way the Unica Anterior Matrix System is shaped is that it's a U-shaped cutout that slips around the tooth. And when it slips around the tooth, it actually also pushes the tissue, the gingival tissue, down and away from where the decay usually sits, and that allows me to have direct line access and visualization of what I'm working at. By pushing the tissue away, you control saliva and heme, and so you don't have any contamination while you're working. I like to do something called a reductive technique when I'm using this matrix system, which means placing more composite in a bigger area than I would need and then cutting back the composite to where I want it to be. And when I can shape it back to what I want it to be, it allows me to really put a little artistry into my dentistry and allow the composite to really shine through. Dentists who use the Unica Anterior Matrix System are really going to find that you're going to be more precise in the placement of your composite. You're going to have less finishing and polishing to do. You're going to have a much better result, and at the end of it all, your patient's going to have a much better experience.